thought grinding meat would be messy, but this manual grinder changed that. Just turn the handle and it turns meat into mince in seconds. I didn't expect a manual tool to cut meat this clean and fast. Just place the meat inside and slice it through with the stainless steel blades, and you get perfectly even cuts every time. It feels like a professional. This electric peeler is way faster than I thought. You just place the fruit or vegetable and it instantly peels the skin in a smooth, even motion. No waste, no mess, and barely any effort. I tried this manual juicer and it actually makes fresh juice in seconds. Just press down and it extracts every drop from fruits without electricity. I thought slicing watermelon would always be messy, but this tool makes it surprisingly easy. Just push it through the watermelon and it cuts perfect slices instantly.